Namaste, Adab. Very good life to you. Today, my topic is very important about an ancient folk traditional Unani and now homeopathic remedy that is Zidduari curcuma from ginger family called Kapoor Kachari, Kachur in Hindi because the roots and leaves are consumable, edible, which have aroma as camphor. It's called kachura in Urdu. It's called Hedychium coronarium. It's the mixed form of those from gingiber family and from turmeric family. Kapoor kachari is called Hedychium spicatum. Its Sanskrit name is Kalpik, which performs our body rejuvenated means Kaya Kalp in Sanskrit. It's also known as Dravid Yuvika. Yuvika means the young teenage girl full of life. It's anti-aging, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic as same as other curcumas, the turmerics. It's appetite stimulating, improves metabolism. It's called Katu Haldi means bitter curcuma. It's white inside. It's called Zaran Bad in Arabic and Kachur in Persian. It acts on skin to cure leprosy, bruises, acne, pimples, facial blemishes, skin diseases, freckles, puberty boils, wounds, boils, scars, carbuncles, syphilitic ulcers, the eruptions, dark spots, and so on. It treats the inflammatory conditions of arthritis, rheumatism. It cures joint pains. The face marks of Kachur Kachri is used to get glowing skin. Its paste is applied on wounds. It acts on our respiratory organs to cure inflammation of lungs, respiratory disorders, cough, asthma, coryza, and sinusitis. It's herbal tea. The tea prepared by its leaves is expectorant and cures phlegm-laced cough, also dry cough. It acts on our glandular system, lymphatic system to treat adenoiditis, sinusitis, inflammation of tonsils, parotid glands, sore throat, scrofula, and so on. It cures mumps. The root is crushed and its extract is applied on chest to cure respiratory disorders by clearing the blockages. Steam inhalation with kachur oil is very effective. Also, the extract of roots or massage of kachur oil on the areas of inflamed, painful glands give a fast relief to the areas. The stem, the branches and roots or leaves of Zidwari roots, the curcuma, are used as mouthwash to cure pyorrhea, toothache, gingivitis, oral apathy, oral boils, and so on. Its extract is applied on scrotum area, the male sexual organ, to treat hydrocele, also applied on the painful areas of joints, the rheumatic and arthritic pains. It's a great remedy to cure dropsy. The leaves are boiled and sieved and the water is consumed to treat dropsy. It acts on our brain to cure forgetfulness, seizures, dizziness, giddiness, even hysteria and epilepsy. Kachur kachri acts on our digestive system to treat chronic diarrhea, chronic dysentery, bloating, high cough, all types of intestinal worms, the threadworms, pinworms, roundworms, tapeworms, and pinworms. It cures acidity, indigestion, vomiting, nausea, loss of appetite, and cholera. Kachri is edible and consumed as a vegetable. It treats inflammation of pancreas leading to diabetes, dry piles or bloody piles, splenic enlargement. Today I have tried my best to give you 100% knowledge about Zidwari curcuma roots. I hope that you must have liked my lecture. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you.